Okay, now I want to show you how you can concatenate data. When we say concatenate, means bring the two together side by side. For example, if I want first name and last name to be in the same column, then I can do that. All I need to do is simply put a formula here. Okay, here, this is the first name here. So, you know, when you start formula with equal sign in Excel. Okay. Then you type concatenate. It should populate it as you are typing it. Okay, here we go. Concatenate. It opens the parentheses for you. And here is A2 and B2. So we have A2 and you put this comma. Sorry. Your comma should be here because we want to concatenate. Okay. And here, put a space, put a apostrophe, then comma again, and we have B2. And then you can close your parentheses and press enter. You see we have Ben Ato now. So all you do now is just click on it and drag this down. And you have all your cells. You have the cell C now containing both cell A and B. Oh, sorry, data in column A and column B. Please do remember to subscribe and share with your friends. So you can call this first and last name or full name. Let's call it full name.